The changes to the direct vision standard have posed problems for hauliers all over the country. As a company that take pride in our vehicles, we knew we had to find the right supplier to fit the kits. Hi, I'm Chad, working in transport for Reid Freight Services. We're a general haulage company based in Stoke-on-Trent. We run vehicles from standard rigids, high abs up to 14-ton lift, and heavy haulage vehicles, moving rail vehicles. As a haulier that operates throughout the UK and Europe, a lot of our work does tend to go into London. And as a requirement now, we need to make sure we meet the standards of the new DVS kits. We take great pride in our vehicles, and all of our drivers treat them as their own homes, so we needed to make sure we found the right supplier to fit with our mantra. For us, the right choice was HaulTech. Much like ourselves, we're a family-run company that shares similar values. We made them aware how much we care of our vehicles, and they assured us that they could fit the kits in the ways that we would want them to, and if there was any issues that they'd rectify them. Despite public opinion surrounding the DVS changes, we've decided to go with them ultimately to continue working in London, and obviously it does make sure that the public is safe around the vehicles. We would recommend that if yourselves want to do it in the future, that you go with HaulTech.